Hey guys, Szenan-Balance from AcuTCM School. So this video I'm going to talk about instant result for high blood pressure. I just got a patient came in. The blood pressure was 170 over 120. Okay, so and then I apply Thai Yin Yang Min pattern. And what is the point? Large intestine 4, lung 10, stomach 44, spleen 6. And what happened after 30 minutes? The blood pressure dropped from here to 154 over 110. Yes, magical 8 plus 1 or magical 12, it works for blood pressure. What if it doesn't work? Like this case, it doesn't work for her. How do you figure out which strategy is going to work for her? Right? I narrowed down to 3 simple patterns: Thai Yin Yang Min, Jue Yin Shao Yang, Shao Yin Shao Yang, and which one's going to work for her, and you have to make the diagnosis. The important thing is I'm adding on manipulation on each point. That's number 1. Number 2, I also treat the structure imbalance by using those 4 points, right? So apart from treating those, yes, I still balance the sigma meridian and organs, right? If you want to know more, come to my workshop. Contact us September in New Zealand and August in Malaysia.